This USB-C docking station fits on MacBook Pro 2019 to 2018/2017/2016 13 inches and 15 inches, MacBook Air 2019 to 2018. This is tiny but mighty Pro USB-C hub. USB Type-C hub with 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB 3.0 ports, and HDMI ports, SD/TF card reader. Simply extend your MacBook into multiple ports and fulfillment of your daily usage. The SD card slot and the TF card slot can be used on the multi-port USB-C hub simultaneous. Adapter for MacBook Pro PC can be connected to a large display or projector via HDMI. Enjoy the 4K and 1080p game/movie/football visual experience. Extender mirror 4K display, switching to mode freely, which can satisfy both work and life. USB 3.0 faster access to file from your USB flash drive. MacBook Pro USB-C hub, Thunderbolt 3 supports 100 watts power delivery (PD) and 40 Gbps data transfer. The USB-C hub enables you to charge PC and phones at the same time. There is no need to worry about power when transferring data. Type-C data port offer fast transfer rate of up to 10 Gbps. 7 inches -2 USB Type-C hub, USB 3.0 for USB flash disk, mouse, iPhone. HDMI for projector, display monitor, HD TV. USB-C female for original AC adapter, power bank. Easily expand SD and TF slots to your PC, ideal tool for photographer or designer.